Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're probably thinking, what is in that? Hi guys, talofa guys, welcome back to my channel. Look, you guys are probably thinking, what on earth is in front of her? It's my hangi, guys. It's hangi. Yeah, made today. Still feels nice and warm. Yeah, so this is like unboxing my hangi, guys. And I also have a bit of mussels here. Yeah. And you know what I'm going to eat with this mussel? Yeah. It's a piece of talo. It's a piece of kalo, guys. But that will be probably later on. So it's like unboxing together with you guys. Guys, let's have a look. Even though I know what's in there. But we're going to look together. Oh, what is this? Wow. Look at that. It's a mountain of food. I made a mountain of food. Oh wow. Look at that, guys. Oh, I'm going to show you what there is. So you got this chunk of brisket meat, guys. I got this from the Kai drop. Look how generous it looks. And I've got this, what is it? Stuffing. Yeah. See, the mint just kicking in. Oh my gosh. And I have a leg of drumstick leg. Oh guys, come. Oh my. And I've got a piece of pork bone. Oh, look, I'm excited. And there's cabbage also. Ooh. Okay guys, let's get my prayer. Just when I was doing my prayer, I could hear a truck or something. A loud, okay, and look at this. This is like unboxing food. Look, I have me some rewana bread. Yeah, you can get that from the Kai drop as well, guys. So if you want some rewana bread, you know where to go. Guys, this is, look at my cowboy shirt. When I was a teenager, I used to love wearing these checkered cowboy shirts. I know. And when I saw that came out, I thought, time to go back to the memories. Anyway, guys, here's some stuffing. Oh. You know what, guys? This is... Okay, I'll put this here and I have me some cabbage. You know what? I can tell it's not the usual people that does my hangi, but guys, this is very generous. I mean, this is chicken. Cooked right. See? It pulls out the bone. Fly it out. This is good food, guys. If you really like a hearty food, like hearty, this is it. Not right, bro. Give me a piece of kalo. Yeah, one kalo, you kill me, I go. Quay nhà mẹ, ai, mà vào mình đua, ai đua. That's pork bone, guys. Oh my. Guys, some people might think that's not even an attractive looking mukbang. But to me, guys, this is not what it looks like. It's what it tastes like. That's important to me. Oh, hey, you want a bread? Oh, you want to drink this water? Right? That is what you call cake and water. I started drinking that recently. And you know what, guys? Since drinking it, you guys hear my heavy breathing? Wow, since drinking it, it's like 3 days I haven't even used any puffer. What's going on here? What's going on? But anyway, it's good. Just cake and water. Even my kid that doesn't like water has started drinking it. Hey, cabbage. This is stuffing. I'll try some of this brisket. This is our pasipoi masima without the salt. Yeah, how we make the pasipoi masima. It's got that honey, flavour. You know what, guys? This is really worth it. The guy that we used to get Hangi from before, he didn't have as much, you know. But I still loved his Hangi. Not that it was bad. Mark makes lovely Hangis. Well, I can tell this is a different one. This is more, you know, for a man that's hungry after work. Taking my time. Oh, look at that hunk of pork bone. A hunk of pork bone in your honey. And look, you know what, guys? This is worth it. Oh, and I thought, oh, my husband didn't buy me any pork bones when you go home, but I didn't know it was in here. Right. Quay ako if you like that. Now, my daughter-in-law just came back from New Zealand and she brought some some mussels from NZ. My favourite mussels are the orange ones because they're sweeter to me anyway. You know that fresh taste of mussel after you shell it and put it in the mouth? See the shell right there. Look, I better have some mussel. It's so good to eat it with the curry. Once you start eating it, you can't put it down. Okay. I gotta stop showing off on that one. This is biscuit, guys. Biscuit. And there's a bit of pumpkin here, guys. Oh, nice. Tastes buttery, sweet. You taste that honey flavor. Potatoes, cabbage. Yeah. There's so much food. A chunk of pork bone in your honey. Chunk of pork bone in your honey, guys. Hi guys. I know. Real on the bread. It is made really nice. Have some pumpkin, guys. Nice and buttery. I told you that, eh? But no jokes, it's nice and buttery. Got that really nice, smooth texture. The cabbage. Okay. Stuffing. Okay. Bake this pork bone. This is nice. I love pork bones, guys. I really do. I started eating pork bones when I was about 9. You know, because my neighbours, they were Maoris, okay, in New Zealand. And sometimes they'll have a nice boil up, right? And I just happened to come at the right time. So they say, hey, come and eat. Well, they say, hey, bub, come and eat. Okay. I'm not one to be shy to eat. No. I really like this pumpkin. Oh, no wonder. This pumpkin is the sweet one. You got the pumpkin that's like grey on the outside, but the skin is really tough. They're sweet, but not as sweet as this one. Okay. The grey one I'm talking about, it's got one colour and it looks really good. But inside, it's not as good as this one. See this one? Have a look. It's got a funny looks and spots, so. But inside, I guess it's just like a person, right? You know, they might not look at, you know, much outside, but inside, see, it's like this video about this pumpkin anyway. Kumara, guys, that's sweet potato. It's a New Zealand one too. Right. Okay. You know when you like something that starts running out? I was going to say, where's my pork bone I put over here? I was going to put my jutes up. Guys, this might not be your cup of tea, but if you can see the way I'm eating it, Right. Just before I started my mukbang, my daughter rang up to be picked up from work, Chiloa. But usually I'm the one that picks her up, but I can't, baby. I have to do my mukbang. So lucky there's another driver inside, pretending to be asleep. But no, he had to get up and go and get his daughter. Always loved Hangi. Always, since the age of 9. And how old am I now? 21. Oh. This is so good. I'm just cleaning this this pumpkin up. Guys, my hand's dirty. Only because I want to make sure I get every single bit of this pumpkin. Yep. Durian. Burimata. My hands are clean, guys. What's this? Cabbage. So you know what, guys? This is quite lovely. Right. Some man, someone can sit down and have a really good feed on this. I know I can. Cabbage, guys. Oh, guys, look behind me. It's a curtain. And behind the curtain, there's a window. Behind the window is a lemon tree. I know. I can film me everywhere. But guys, as long as you see the content, that's what matters, right? Sorry, guys. Sorry, I don't have any pretty backgrounds. No, you guys? One day, when my daughter Sharon eventually gives me the white paint that I asked for, then I can paint that brick wall over there and it'll be all white so you can see me. Yeah, this was so lovely, but I know you're probably thinking, oh, stop and give it a shower. Oh God, don't be like that. Okay. Look. You know what, guys? Anyway, now I gotta rebox this, put it together like this. Oh, I might as well chuck all the bones in there. Okay. Chuck all the bones in here. Okay. Okay, guys. What? Cheers, guys. It's only water, nothing frilly. But hey, water is better than soda, by far. Okay. Hang on, guys. My hack. Just wetting the tissue so I can give it a good wipe. Okay. Nothing fancy today, guys. It's one of those kind of meals that, you know, it's really filling to the tummy. And it doesn't look all that attractive, you know. But the people that love honey, it looks like $1 million. Okay. So time for shout out, guys. Time for shout out, okay? These are all the people that leaves a comment under my videos, and so I just think I just want to, you know, show some appreciation. Okay, guys. So I started with the shout out with Hapa Komene. Thank you, Hapa Komene, for watching and leaving a comment. I appreciate that. And then here's Aileen Tavui Leota, and Aileen, if you go to her channel, guys, she had a tatau, you know, the bea, you know, the tattoo, the Samoan tattoo, guys. Yeah, she has a, you know, like a journey on the Samoan tatau. So go and have a watch of her channel, guys. You guys might like what you see, the content on her channel, and subscribe, you know, show some love. Yeah. And, okay, here's another name. And I'd like to say thank you very much, Renita Westerland. Thank you very much. I saw your comment, so I put down your name. And then I also put down Alex Swanson. Alex, thank you so much. You know, it's awesome that I see people's comments, and some of the stuff that they comment is about the content that I put up, and they have a little chat with me, and I appreciate that. Thank you so much. And then, oh yeah, guys, you know, I just want to shout out this person again. She's only just started her channel, and it's Nani Eats and Travels. She puts up her videos with her siblings. There's a time when she had her mum on. You know what? It's good. You can tell she's really, you know, like interested in what she does, you know. So that's good. I really like that. Then, you know, and she's pretty good at it, like natural, you know. So guys, if you don't know Nani Eats and Travels, you know, just drop by and, you know, show some love. She's only started, guys, so, you know, come on, uplift. Thank you. Anyway, and there's NRL King. Thank you, NRL King, for stopping by. There's also JG JG asked if I could do mukbangs that has taro, like galo, banana, Faye, breadfruit. Yep, JG, I don't know if you've seen my videos before. There's old videos of mine that I have done taro, and I've done banana and breadfruit also. But it doesn't hurt to do some more, I guess, because, you know, you're asking, you know, me to do it. As long as there's no ulupua'a, no pickhead, okay? And no muli babies. No. Okay. And then there's also Queen. Hello to you, Queen. Thank you very much for the comment. I appreciate it. And then, guys, if you don't know about Katrina in Asia, please stop by and check out their channel. They love talking about the most important person that you can ever hear about and know about. They talk about God. Very, very important thing to do is always remember God. And Katrina in Asia likes to bring that out in their videos, guys. So Katrina in Asia, please, if you can stop by and show some love and support, that'll be so good. So guys, that's the end of the book today. And sorry if I didn't shout you out and put your name in, but don't worry, I will continue on checking for the comments and put down your name. Okay, guys. But today I had a lovely kai from the kai job. So I saw anyway. So guys, I had a lovely food today. Hangi. That was really lovely. The little mussels from New Zealand flew over today, and I got some to eat with my galo. Okay, guys, and the rewana bread. Thank you very much for the hands that made it. You know, very nice, very gifted. You know, in making this rewana bread. But guys, you guys take it easy. Take care of yourself, and don't forget, always show love for one another. Show love especially for your parents, you know. That's all I can say. And always remember God. You know, guys, it doesn't take long, you know. Just have a word with God every day. And thank Him for all the love and everything that we get, you know, in life. So, ka kite, kia manuia, fa soifua.